Good morning, Ender 3 friends. I have just created a new bearing holder that I think I'm going to use. I'm going to go back to the right turn method. I created this bearing yesterday, and I do like the angle. It is printing really well, but we've talked a lot about how this angle at the top is going to be a problem as we get taller prints. So I'm going to rotate that to the left so it's aimed the way it was when we received the ender. And then I'm going to take this big bearing, and I've got a new one that I'm printing right now that is going to be to the right of it, so the filament will still feed from the right side to the left, and hopefully will come out just as well. The new bearing I am printing right now, you can see I've got designed with a mesh mixer support, which I like because it's quite frugal. You can see that the design is working really well, and the printer is doing a wonderful job since I found where it had been snagging on the cable the other day, and then I zip tied it in. So I still believe that the downward extrusion is feasible, but there have been a lot of people that have talked about how it's a problem if you're making tall prints. So I'm going to go back to the other one and see what I think about that. Friends, thanks for watching. If you like the movie, please click that like button. If you haven't hit subscribe, please click that as well. And if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new print from HLModTech, click that notification bell. Have a great day, friends.